Yeah. Mate, yeah. Oh man. My
300, you'd be all the way over on the other side of the mountain.
my what do you call this one?
Are you okay?
My legs cramps. That's why.
Right?
When I step on my right.
Just cramp.
Oh shit! Wait.
You didn't smash it, did you?
No.
Man, I went right up that one.
Huh?
I went right up that one. I didn't stop. I did the Rich Larson technique.
Huh?
I did the Rich Larson technique. It wasn't even hard either.
I know.
You made it up the hardest one though.
Huh?
You made it up the hardest one so far.
Let me climb up and then I'll rest a little bit right there. Okay, Lalo. Woohoo! My legs cramps right there.
Yeah.
No, just have to stay more, get a little bit of throttle far away.
Yeah.
Low. Good. Not enough.
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh man, pre! Oh, oh shit! Dali pre, tulungan kita. Kaya? Pre, kaya hindi? Diyan ka na sa ano, diyan kaliwa, mas madali. Woo! Jeff, rock and roll. Pedro. Oh, hop. Woohoo! Nice save.
The more you go up it, the easier it gets. Because it's scary, that's the problem.
Tre. Oi, say hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Like that, you have to hit the throttle.
Yeah. I was surprised he was going to do it.
Almost. You saved my fucking bike.
Yeah.
I
I
did.
think he saw.
You did.
I think he saw Rich Larson.
That's why I stay right there. Like, hey, maybe on the right, and I think on the right spot or where I have to be.
And it's lucky Kirk,
right
man.
spot right there.
Yeah.
He did a good job getting off that thing.
Good. Fall down.
That was pretty freaking scary.
Because when you reach this part, you loosen your speed right there,
Yeah.
and it started to
Second gear, purple.
come up.
Well, the first time I came in there, I would hit that too hard, and then I would jump, and it would slow me down.
Okay, Jonathan, go! He got it. Brother!
Good job. Hasta que. Oh, Lalo! Ante Lalo, tú Lalo.
Lalo! Pressing her.
Just 30.
Ha? Hindi kasi ikaw nakataas ka eh.
That's the first time, huh?
Ha?
Yeah, good job. I didn't make it the first time.
Nice, brother. No.
Kirk doing it again?
Yeah. Nagasgasan mo rin.
We're gonna go back and try those right there. The one we always tried. We're gonna go back.
Tingnan nga natin, pre. Wala man. Wala man. Oh, ito.
Mali, pagkuhan ako eh.
See how it is right now.
Dali, pre.
Over there on one part, we're not like that. No, not right there. Yeah, I know.
Pre, handa.
The other side, yeah. I'm gonna go to the
Gas, brand new. Pre, Hoy!
Lumas ka ba na? Gas na.
Shout out to Kirk. Oh, scratch.
It's okay. Normal.
Binyag lang yan, pre.
No, I try to no run up.
Paano kasi doon ka doon ka nagsimula?
No, I can do it, but it's just I fucked up on the bottom.
Plus your
Oh,
new
man.
bike.
I fucked up on the bottom. I could have make it, but I just
Yeah.
fucked up there. Should have just stayed third.
I
Second.
think you got kind of knocked sideways a little bit right at the beginning.
I tried second. I should have just. Because last time I went to here. So I'm just there. I didn't get no run. Oh man, that hurt.
Sabi ni Jonathan, magmano ka daw sa kanya. You bless! You bless!
Pre! Ano, enduro lang yun eh, pre. Hindi na ako pwede yung madali. May gas na. Oh, okay na yan. Oh, pinutol na para sa akin din, oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, which I like.
Oh man, dali, ikot ako. Buti siya rin na save dito sa Priluwi.
Ang bala ko lang kung hindi ako makakiyat, itatapon ko na yung bike eh.
Hindi kasi may nakaabang eh.
Hindi, kaya naman yun.
Nakaabang.
Mayabang ako eh.
Tara na.
Mayabang ako, ayaw maglandak.
Yeah. Lalo. Forward.